Another wax box that turned up. This one in pretty rough shape. It's in the bottom of a tub. Sealed, the shrink wrap is still there. The box is pretty mangled. We're going to open up a few packs. Probably going to end up opening this whole box. 1992 Donruss the Rookies, but we'll at least open a couple packs right now. Let's see if we can get... Oh wow, yeah, that box is trashed. Let's take one right off the top here. Brad Brink, Jim Bollinger, Craig Colbert, Pedro Estacio. Oh, there's a black insert card there. Kent Bottenfield, J.T. Brewitt, Archie Cianfranco, Rookie Phenoms, Moises Alou, Jeff Kent, Troy Affiner, Robert Aralt, and a second Brad Brink. Lucky. Let's go down almost to the bottom on this one. We'll open another one. Tim Wakefield. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Bert Heffernan, Peter Oy, Kurt Knudsen, not making these names up, Rick Durlasek, Mike Walker, Eric Young, he played, Pedro, that's cool, we'll take Pedro, Paul Miller, Troy Neal, Dan Peltier, and Harvey Pulliam. One more. Let's go a couple down over here. Although, for the base cards, I don't think you can get any better than Pedro. I think the Rookie Phenoms that we've got Moises. I think there's a Piazza. That's a pretty good one. Greg Perkle, Mike Christopher, Tim Costo, Monty Ferris, Mike Williams, Ed Martell, Tim McIntosh, Paul Miller again, Chad Curtis, he's a good player, Bien Figueroa, Brent Gates, and Sean Hare. 1982 Donruss the Rookies.